Now it's time to identify your course topic and intended learners. I hope you've had a chance to try out the Marketplace Insights tool and determine the focus for your course. If you haven't done that yet, I advise you to try the tool first before moving on to identifying your intended learners. When you're ready to identify your learners, use the attached worksheet to answer the questions I went over in the previous lecture. Anytime you create a course, you can use this worksheet to identify your intended learners. As you answer these questions, keep in mind the types of learners that take courses on Udemy. Your learners may come from all over the globe. They may be taking your course on their own time or learning at work. Think about all the scenarios in which someone might be taking your course as you go through the questions. Once you've completed the worksheet, you can go back to the draft course you created earlier and fill in the "Who is this course for?" question in the intended learners area of the course builder with some statements or personas that describe your intended learners based on the analysis you did.